Hello everyone, myself Prashant. Hope you all are doing great. So today we will discuss Article 25 and Article 26 of India's Constitution, and this is obviously under fundamental rights, and fundamental right is under Part 3 of India's Constitution. So let's begin. So Article 25 is about freedom of religion, right? And Article 26 is also about freedom of religion, but there is a difference between Article 25 and Article 26. So first point in Article 25 says that there is freedom of conscience. That is, conscience means a person has inner freedom to mold his relations with God or creatures in whatever way he desires. सो बेसिकली इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि एक इंडिविजुअल जो है उसके पास एक आंतरिक आज़ादी है किसी भी गॉड को वर्शिप करने के लिए. कोई गॉड ही नहीं हो सकता है, वो कोई क्रिएचर्स भी हो सकता है. क्रिएचर्स कैन बी ट्री ऑल्सो, कैन बी एनिमल ऑल्सो. सो ये जो इंडिपेंडेंस है, जो ये आंतरिक आज़ादी है, वो हर एक सिटीजन के पास है, हर एक नागरिक के पास है, राइट. वो किसी भी गॉड को वर्शिप कर सकता है. देन सेकेंड पॉइंट इज अबाउट राइट टू प्रोफेस. प्रोफेस मीन्स कि इंडिविजुअल हैज द राइट टू डिक्लेयर हिज फेथ और बिलीफ. तो कोई भी इंडिविजुअल है वो अपने फेथ को ओपनली डिक्लेयर कर सकता है, अपने बिलीफ को डिक्लेयर कर सकता है. देन राइट टू प्रैक्टिस. सो ऑब्वियसली अगर वो डिक्लेयर कर रहा है अपने रिलीजन को, तो ही ऑल्सो हैज़ द राइट टू प्रैक्टिस. वो अपने रिलीजन को किसी भी वे में, जो भी उसके स्क्रिप्चर्स है, जैसे वो स्क्रिप्चर्स प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, वो पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल अपने रिलीजन के अकॉर्डिंग कोई भी चीज़ प्रैक्टिस कर सकता है, राइट. देन द लास्ट पॉइंट इज दैट राइट टू प्रोपेगेट ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ वंस रिलीजियस बिलीफ टू अदर्स. तो जैसे क्या है कि मतलब इफ अ पर्सन इज बिलोंगिंग फ्रॉम अ पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन, देन दैट पर्सन हैज दैट फ्रीडम टू propagate the idea of his religion to other person. So Hindu can propagate his ideas, his Hindus ideals to a person from another religion. Similarly, Muslim can propagate his ideas from his religion to other person. You need to know that it is talking about propagation, right? So person has right to propagate. Propagate means it's basically to propagate. There is no any case of forcing a particular person to listen the ideas or belief of other religion. So it is propagation, right to propagation. Now so we have discussed Article 25, but though Article 25 guarantees certain freedom, but along with that there are some restriction to Article 25 as well. We will see those restrictions also, but before that we need to know that Article 25 includes religious beliefs, that is doctrines, and Article 25 also includes religious practices, that is rituals. So we have already seen, right, the person has inner freedom to believe any creatures, any religion, right, any doctrine, and at the same time person also has the right to practice. We saw that right to practice is under Article 25. So both these rights are under Article 25. Very important. Now let's see the restriction which is there in Article 25. So it is talking about public order. So freedom of religion can be restricted in case of public order. If there is danger to public order, then the freedom of religion can be restricted. Then when it comes to the morality, if a religion has something which harms the morality, then in that case also there can be restriction. And obviously if religion has certain things which which endangers the health of larger public, then in this case also religion, the freedom of religion can be restricted, or article 25 can be restricted, right? Article 25 can be restricted in case of when there is a danger to public order, danger to morality, when there is danger to health. Now so in article 25 only there is this thing called basically in Sikh community, person has the right to wear and carry kirpans in Sikh religion. So kirpan basically is a small dagger. I think it's 5 to 8 inch in length. So it's a dagger and its appearance is like this only, and the Sikh people usually carry this dagger at their side waist, right? At the side of their waist they usually carry it. So this is how it kirpan looks. This is, I think this is the way it looks. Basically it is a kind of knife, you need to know. And so this is very important that according to article 25 only Hindu word has been described, right? So what does Hindu include? So Hindu includes Sikhs, Hindu includes Buddhist, and Hindu includes Jain. So all these are under definition of Hindu. So according to constitution, Hindu includes Sikh, Buddhist, and Jains. Very, very important. So I think we have covered all the important points of this article 25. Now we will see article 26, right? And the restriction which are there in article 26. So what does article 26 say? So article 26 is about freedom to manage religious affairs. So we have seen that article 25 is about freedom of religion, right? That is a person has right to worship any god, person has right to propagate his propagate the ideals of his religion, person has right to practice. So all these things are there in article 25, right? That is doctrine, religious doctrine things, and then rituals or practicing of religion. So these two things are under article 25, but article 26 includes freedom to manage religious affairs. Very, very important. So to manage religious affairs, there are certain things which is outlined in article 26, and obviously there is restriction in article 26 as well. So restriction is with respect to public order, restriction is with respect to morality, and restriction is with respect to health. And so this is it, I guess. I think I have covered all the important points. So thank you again. Thank you so much for your time.